right, week 5 here. This week we're going to finish up elasticity, and really not a lot of new concepts coming out this week. We're going to use it primarily to prepare for your midterm, which is going to be on Thursday. So this is going to be a comprehensive midterm. So it'll cover everything that we've covered, chapters 1 through 5. And so we'll spend the week kind of preparing. You might have noticed when you took attendance today, you had a few review questions. I'll have a few kind of multiple choice practice questions each day. Give you a chance to kind of practice and refresh. So log into Schoology each day, do your attendance like normal. We'll have our same face-to-face conference on Wednesday, same time. Please have your college grading sheet available. I gave you this early. It might be a green color if I remember right, but part of Wednesday will be to go through and calculate what your college grade is up to this point, so you know where you're at prior to that midterm. So have that college grade sheet. If you don't have one or if you lost it, let me know and I can get you another one. Watching the content videos posted. There will be probably a few content videos I post here, specifically looking at review throughout the week. But the one thing that you're going to want to check out in the folder is the midterm review guide. And this is going to give you a list of content of everything that we've kind of covered, or at least the concepts. Go back, you can look in your notes and kind of see, all right, do I understand these concepts, what there are. So anything that's on the review guide will be touched on in the final, and we'll talk more about that. Your assignments this week, you're going to have a Chapter 5, your Chapter 5 college assignment. So your 10-point assignment for your college grade is on elasticity this week. And then you've got the review. And the review is about 35 questions, multiple choice, practice. So I would kind of break them down into different things, and this will give you a good idea of what the midterm will look like. So really it's going to be to study and review and prepare for that midterm on Thursday. We'll talk more on Wednesday about what what that looks like, but plan on Thursday morning during our college econ time, 8:20 to 9:15, your midterm exam. It's kind of a big one. It's 100 points. All of your other quizzes have only been 25 up to this point, so this will be a significant impact on your college grade, as well as your high school score, but it really is going to impact the college side of things. So we really want to make sure we put in a lot of time studying this week. So, all right, I'll be in touch.